Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study fast CIA step by step. Start by dividing the syllabus into small, focused blocks. Set 25-minute sprints with short breaks, and label 3 priority topics each session. Use active recall with flashcards and spaced repetition apps, and practice past questions under timed conditions. Build review days weekly, track progress, and adjust study blocks based on weak areas to keep momentum and confidence. Create a warm, steady daily routine that fits your life and keeps momentum without pressure. Begin with a short review, then a concentrated 25-minute sprint on a single topic using active recall. Follow with a 5-minute break and a second sprint focusing on application or questions. End each day with a quick error log and one targeted review item to close the loop and build lasting recall. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical videos. Quick recommendation: the device seen here makes long reading sessions easier and lighter, especially when you study on the go. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab discounts or extras. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Make practice central by doing timed question sets that match exam format and difficulty, then immediately review answers and rationales. Turn each mistake into a specific mini-task to cover in the next study block. Use cumulative weekly reviews to stitch topics together and detect weak links, and mix new material with older topics to maintain retention. Keep sessions warm and supportive, focusing on progress rather than perfection to stay motivated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.